Okay, so we're wrapping up week 2 here, and this is the week 3 walkthrough. So Monday you have an assignment, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Tuesday, Thursday we have 2 labs, and then Friday you have an elements quiz on numbers 1 through 20 and a Unit 1 review worksheet. So let's go into the week and see what we got going here. So you're watching the walkthrough right now. Here's your to-do list. So for elements numbers 1 through 20, you need to know the names and symbols. It will be some combination of matching, potentially some fill in the blank as well. Spelling would count, although I'm not going to make you spell maybe some of the more difficult ones, although that should be something that long term we're getting towards. So I would review those every single day. When you're in class this week, we'll try to at least once over those days try to do it. Okay, so Monday we're learning about modeling in science. This assignment is a little bit more complicated, so make sure you watch this video right away, and then you'll walk through that assignment and then turn through at the end. Video 2, you're not watching the whole thing unless you want to. There's some interesting concepts there. So Tuesday you have a lab. If you're doing it at home, you're gonna have to watch that video if you don't have the materials. If you have the materials, feel free to do it. I'll actually add a materials list there so you know what you would need. But most of you are not going to have scales at home, so you might have to do it that way. Otherwise, I'm just going to do the lab maybe with a double time play. So Wednesday, we're taking notes on Unit 1, Entry 3. There's video lecture and notes on ions and isotopes. We've actually covered most of this information already. We just need the vocab pieces that are associated with it. Thursday, we have a lab, atomic mass lab, where we figure out why, if an isotope has a mass of 4, or carbon as an example of a mass of 12, mass of 13 or 14, why do I see 12.01 on the periodic table for its mass? And that's because it's an average. And then Friday, you have 2 things. Oh, error while loading contents. There's 2 quizzes in there. Let's see if I can do it that way. Element quiz, numbers 1 through 20, and then a review worksheet. Remember, this is a one-time thing. It will be timed. Because you need to go quick. I'm not going to give you time to just go to Google and type them in. So that one will have to go fast. Unit 1 review worksheet, you can take that one as much as possible. That's just reviewing all the concepts that we've talked about so far this year. Okay, so that's our week 3. The main idea here is we're going to learn about hail formation. So last week we learned about lightning. This week we're going to talk about how do clouds form and what are the conditions for hail to form. And then we're going to kind of build off of that. So we're continuing to learn about our weather, and now we're talking about pieces that come along, and this will tie into our topic for the following week as well. All right, love you guys. Have a great week. Let me know if you have questions. Last piece, if you need to, always sign up on Wednesday. Actually, I prefer if you send me an email, but if you want to sign up there, you can. To get help on Wednesday. So maybe you're like, dang, those notes might be kind of tough. I'm going to try to do them Wednesday morning so I can always meet with Mr. Peters in the afternoon. Okay, bye.